That was the G major scale. I'm going to show you the fingering that I like to use for the G major scale. G, 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to use fourth fingers because it strengthens my fourth finger. That will take it into later repertoire practice. 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here's where you take it up to the third position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. And here is where we have 2, 3, 4, extension 4, back to the 4, and then you come back the same way you went. So now for the arpeggio. So that's how I like to practice my G major scale and arpeggio. Hope that helps.